Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial, we are going to create this simple yet unique UI design. So if you also want to create this and want to know the complete process, then keep watching our video till the end. Because at the end, you are going to see some more examples just like this. Okay guys, so now without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, here we are in Canva interface and we selected an Instagram post blank page, and now we are moving to our customized folder in which we saved all the elements which we are going to use today. So first of all, we selected this rectangular shape from there, and now we are going to apply some adjustments in it. Like we are setting here brightness to -100 and the blur part to 50. Okay, we are just adjusting it guys. Okay, after this we are duplicating this rectangle and now setting the brightness to +100 to this duplicate part and keeping the blur as it is. Okay, now duplicating it the third time and now setting here the brightness and blur to 0. After this we are moving down and going into this duotone option, and from here we are going to apply this pop effect, and this we are going to apply to the third rectangular, which is in front. So as you can see, it is done now. After this, we are going to adjust all these three rectangles properly. So that's why we are separating these three so that we can do that properly. Also guys, so that all the rectangles will be clearly visible, we are setting the background color to light gray. Okay, after this we are setting this white rectangle in such a way that it will pop out from the top and the left, as you can see in your screens. So we are just setting it backward to this pink rectangle. After this we are setting this blackish rectangle in such a way that it will pop out from the right and the bottom, as you can see in your screens. And why we are doing this guys, because it will create here a pop out effect, as you can see in your screens. After this we just grouped all the three rectangles and now we increased its size and now arranged it in the middle of the page. Okay, after this we are moving here in the colors option and setting here the background color. So we are setting here this color. Its code is flashing in your screen, so you can check out that from here. Okay guys, after this we are going to apply here some more things. So for that we are moving to edit image option and again to the adjustment option. And now from here we are going to change some blur configuration here. So first of all, for whitish part we are setting it to 35. And after setting the white part to 35, we are going to do same for the black rectangular part also. So we are going to set it to 35 as well. Also guys, while we are doing this, our video is flashing in your I button, so you can check out that video as well after watching this one. Okay guys, so now setting this blur part to 35 for the black rectangle as well, and now it's done. Okay, after this again moving to our folder, and now from here we are going to use some more elements. So first of all we are using this element from here. This is an element which you can say we use for the dragging of the video and for moving forward and backward in the video. So guys, this is the element which is completely created by us by using the Canva elements. So you can also create such kind of element by using different separate Canva elements like the arrows, lines and different kinds of things. Okay guys, now after this we are using this another element from here, and that is the circular frame. So you can easily find it out by searching in the Canva for the circular frames. Okay guys, now checking out the background, that which will look more good here. So I think the previous one was good, so we are setting it again to that. After this we are going to do here some more adjustments. Again to the blur part, I think it is not looking that much good. So that's why we are setting here the blur part to 15 again. Now same we are going to do for the black as well. Also guys, if you're liking our video till now, then please hit the like button below our video. Do subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time whenever we post our new stuff. Also share this video with the one who needs it. Okay guys, so now it's done. Okay guys, now adjusting that white rectangle and black rectangle more properly so that it will create an exact pop out effect that we want. Also guys, while we are doing this, if you want to know about more such cool creative ideas, then you can check out our Canva playlist. The link is in the description box. Okay guys, after doing it properly, we are searching here for one more element, and that is girl listen music in pink background. So this is the text which we are writing here to search for an element. So after searching for an element, you will get results like these. So you can simply select any girl from here according to your choice, but I selected this one. After selecting it, I am just adjusting it in the frame. And after adjusting it, our simple UI design is ready. So after this, we are going to download it, and here we have our final post. So guys, what do you think about this simple yet cute UI design? Let us know in the comment section. Also, we have some more examples for you guys, as you can see in your screens. So this is the last one among all. So guys, let us know in the comment section what do you think about all these. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed and got a value here. Now we will meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care of your lovely selves.